What's up, everybody? Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to talk about two functions that are very helpful in finding either the largest or smallest number. They are max and min, short for maximum and minimum. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, bottom right hand corner there, we're doing stuff like this every day. And let's get to it. Alright, we have a list, a database of all of these functions, or all of this information here, and NBA scores for NBA player points, names, things like that, a bunch of stats for them on a season-wide basis. We want to know what the highest amount of points any player in the league has. So in here, we could add filters and do all that, but if we don't want to change our data, maybe we have some index matches that haven't been pasted as values. There's formulas that could be sensitive and we don't want to change this data because we don't know what's going to happen. Maybe nothing, maybe something. We just do this, equals max. So it returns the largest value in a set of values. Ignores the logical values in text. Great. I want the largest numerical value. All we're going to do is look for points. And we're just going to highlight that range. So we're hitting Shift, Control, and down. Closing the parentheses. Enter. There it is. Well, so there, that's a little high. We'll get rid of that. So here it is 1492. So whoever has 1492, all right, we could find that, sure. Instead, what we're going to do is find the smallest number. So of all these players, who has the least? Equals min. We'll click there, and there again, close the parentheses. And the lowest player on this list has 610. All right. So right here, we want to find a player based on a rank. Maybe what we want to find a name here, but if we want to use VLOOKUP, well, that's a problem. We can't look up the point values and go to the left. That's an issue with VLOOKUP. It doesn't work that way. We could use XLOOKUP, we could use index match, but maybe we're not familiar with those and we really just need a quick answer and don't want to go on YouTube. So all we're going to do is use this rank value. So if you think about it, the minimum value, if VLOOKUP has to be on the left, rank is on the left, and we can get a name right here. If we did minimum value, the number one rank would be the minimum value, and we'll use a VLOOKUP with that and go right here. So we're going to just nest these functions within another one. So the player with the highest amount of points, we go equals VLOOKUP, and the value we want to find minimum, and we want to find that within here. And going to the table array, we'll go here. We're going to pick these two, and again, Shift Control down right here. Actually, yeah, we'll do that. F4, comma. The column we want to find is number 2 because it's not the first one. It's going to be column 2, column 1, column 2, 2, comma, 0. We want an exact match. Close it. Damian Lillard. There we go. Damian Lillard. All right. So here, minimum, same thing. Equals VLOOKUP, except we're going to go max because we want the highest ranked player or the player furthest at the bottom. Max. And we'll go here and pick these. All those, F4, close the parentheses. The table array. Again, we're going to go the same thing here. We highlight these, Shift, Control, and down, F4 to lock that reference. Column, we want to find the second one. So first column, second column, that's our array, this red. Column 1, column 2, 2, comma, and 0 for the exact match. Close the parentheses, enter. There we go. So we've somehow figured out how to use a VLOOKUP, mix it with minimum and maximum or min and max, and we can make it go right, left, or change it up. We can edit the one formula we know, throw in a couple of different things, and voila. You can make the formula, do what you need it to do, depending on the other data that you have if you don't want to mess around. That's about it. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.